Hello, I am Anthony. Welcome back to episode 14 of the Food Manufacturing Hazard Series. Today we're talking about fatigue, a hazard that touches everything on the line: safety, quality, and productivity. It drives more mistakes, more defects, more injuries. Here's how it affects your shift and what you can do about it. Fatigue is not just being tired, it is a critical hazard on the production line. On a tired shift, a missed check becomes a customer complaint, a hold, or a recall, and a slow reaction near a blade or conveyor becomes something much worse. The HSE defines fatigue as a decline in performance from prolonged exertion or sleep loss. With over 3.5 million shift workers in the UK, the annual cost of accidents related to fatigue is estimated at up to £240 million. It must be managed like any other hazard. Fatigue is more than just long hours. It is driven by circadian disruption from night shifts, monotonous workload design, and cumulative sleep debt from consecutive shifts. These factors significantly raise the risk of accidents. The data is clear. Accident rates are 18% higher on evening shifts and 30% higher on night shifts. 12-hour shifts carry a 37% increased risk of injury. These are real patterns seen in packhouses every day. Human reliability is quality reliability. When attention drops due to fatigue, inspection checks get rushed, labels are loaded incorrectly, and critical metal detector tests can be logged without a proper challenge. Fatigue drives product defects. HSE's HSG 256 guidance sets out legal duties for shift design. While night hours are capped at an average of 8 in 24, remember that legal compliance does not always mean the risk is managed. The body clock does not easily adjust to night work. Fatigue bites hardest at specific points: start of shift carryover, monotonous inspection stations, and especially during changeovers and handovers where communication failure is most likely. Errors peak at the end of the shift. Recognize fatigue early. In yourself, watch for rereading instructions or skipping checks. In your team, look for slower responses, more dropped product, or an increased reliance on others to double-check routine tasks. Employers must have clear policies on working hours and overtime. Changes to shifts must be risk-assessed, considering workload and breaks. Management should treat rising overtime as a staffing signal, not just a convenience. If you have a short turnaround, are on your 4th consecutive night, or notice yourself missing routine checks, flag it to your supervisor. Use a second pair of eyes and take your breaks properly. Early reporting is your best defense. Remember, fatigue is a recognized hazard, night shifts carry higher risk, and human error links directly to defects. Use HSG 256 as your guide and always recognize the signs of fatigue early in yourself and your team. Every inspection matters. Every quality check matters. The safest production line is one where we support each other before a small error becomes a customer complaint or an injury. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt. Everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.